Hello dear students, you are watching Path Maths online tutor classes. So today, let me prove some formulas which will be very much helpful to all of you to solve the questions based on your exercise 2.2. The first formula, which is your very much belonging to the exercise 2.2, is your first of all tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. The formula need to be proved. For that, let us consider, let me take like tan inverse x is equal to theta and tan inverse y is equal to phi, which implies x is equal to tan theta and phi is equal to, y is equal to tan phi. Now we know that the formula for tangent of x plus y, or simply a plus b, is given by tan x plus tan y over 1 minus tan x into tan y. If I replace this x by theta and y by phi, then this formula will be equal to tangent of theta plus phi is equal to tan theta plus tan phi over 1 minus tan theta into tan phi. But the value of tan theta is your x here and value of tan phi is your y. So let me replace tan theta and tan phi by x and y. So this is tangent of theta plus phi will be equal to x plus y over 1 minus xy, or simply theta plus phi can be written as tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. But the value of theta is your tan inverse x, value of phi is your tan inverse y. So this can be replaced by tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. But one thing you should have to keep in your mind, that this formula will exist only in case whenever x multiply y is your less than 1. So the product of x and y is your less than 1. In that case only this formula will be applicable. Similarly, we can prove the second formula, which is given by tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y over 1 plus xy. This is the second formula which is your need to prove, and xy here should be greater than minus 1. The condition is that x comma y should be greater than minus 1. Let me show you. The condition is your x comma y should be greater than minus 1. We can prove this formula similar as we have proved this one. So this is your homework to prove this formula as well. Let's do another formula which is given by 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. For that, let me write this one. The third formula is your 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is the formula number 3 which is to be proved. For that, let me take the right hand side of this question and let me put x is equal to tan theta. Let x is equal to tan theta implies theta will be your tan inverse x. So what will be the right hand side? This will be your sin inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. this is the formula of sine 2 theta. This is the formula of sine 2 theta. So this can be written as sine inverse sine 2 theta, and we know very well sine inverse sine x is always equal to x, which is 2 theta, but we have the value of theta is your tan inverse x, so this is your 2 tan inverse x. So 2 sine tan inverse x is always equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. In a similar way, we have two more formulas for your 2 tan inverse x. Number 4 is your 2 tan inverse x can also be written as cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square. Again, this is your homework to prove this formula. The same way we have to use x is equal to tan theta on the right hand side. You will get that this is your cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and this is the formula of cos 2 theta. Cos inverse cos 2 theta will remain as simply 2 theta, and the value of theta is tan inverse x, so this will be equal to 2 tan inverse x. The last formula for the same 2 tan inverse x is given by, last one is your 2 tan inverse x can also be written as tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Again, the same work is there. We need to put x is equal to tan theta in this question. Let me do this one. So the right hand side is to be taken and put x is equal to tan theta. So theta will be your tan inverse x. What will be your right hand side here? This is your tan inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. This is the formula of tan 2 theta. So this can be replaced by tan inverse tan 2 theta, or simply this is 2 theta because tan inverse tan x is equal to x, और x की जगह कौन है 2 theta है, तो theta की वापस वैल्यू पुट करेंगे. दिस इज योर 2 tan inverse x. So this is your the formula number 6, page number 44 on your NCERT. Actually, these are the questions in which we need the basic formulas. We need the knowledge of basic formulas, what we have discussed and what we have learned in your class 11. We have to learn about the formula sin 3x, cos 3x, tan 3x, cos 2x, sin 2x, tan 2x, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, tan x plus y, tan x minus y. All these formulas should be keep in your mind to do this chapter specially. So I think you have a very much knowledge about these formulas, or otherwise you will take some knowledge from your the given notes or the formulas given to you already in your before vacations. So let me do the question number 1, which is given by 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. This need to prove. We want to prove that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. जितने भी इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस के क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उनकी प्रॉपर्टीज के बेस पे ही सॉल्व किए जा सकते हैं. लाइक साइन इनवर्स साइन एक्स को हम एक्स लिख सकते हैं, साइन ऑफ साइन इनवर्स एक्स को एक्स लिख सकते हैं, एंड सो ऑन. मींस इफ यू वांट टू रिप्लेस दिस साइन इनवर्स फंक्शन इस साइन इनवर्स को सिंपल एक्स के फॉर्म में लाना चाहते हैं तो अंदर कोई ना कोई इसको सब्स्टिट्यूशन करनी पड़ेगी. 99% केसेस में इफ यू वांट टू इवेल्युएट और सिंप्लीफाई अ इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन देयर नीड्स सब्स्टिट्यूशन. वहाँ पर हमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती ही होती है. लाइक दिस, देखिए राइट हैंड साइड देखो जरा, राइट हैंड साइड के अंदर साइन इनवर्स 3x माइनस 4x क्यूब है. यहाँ जब तक कोई भी साइन का फंक्शन जैसे साइन ऑफ a प्लस बी, साइन a माइनस बी, साइन 3x, साइन 2x, इस तरह कोई फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं हो सकता तब तक ये साइन इनवर्स कैंसिल नहीं होगा. So for that we have to just have the knowledge of the formulas. Let's see, because अगर बाहर साइन इनवर्स है तो पूरे चांसेस है अंदर जो फॉर्मूला होगा that will be in the form of साइन फंक्शन. सो अगर मैं ध्यान दूँ, सबसे पहले साइन ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई विच इज गिवन बाय साइन एक्स कोस वाई प्लस कोस एक्स साइन वाई, कहीं से मिलता जुलता नहीं है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन नहीं हो सकती। सेकंड केस की बात करें साइन 2x की विच इज गिवन बाय 2 साइन एक्स इंटू कोस एक्स, नहीं मिलता जुलता। साइन 2x का एक फॉर्मूला और भी होता है 2 tan x अपॉन 1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर x, वो भी कोई रिजेंबल नहीं करता है। नाउ वी हैव द फॉर्मूला ऑफ साइन 3 थीटा which is given by 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. See, this is very much similar to this one. 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So it implies अगर आप x को sin theta से replace करते हैं तो this can be converted into the formula of sin 3 theta. So let me do this one. Take the right hand side of this question and put x is equal to sin theta. If you will put x equal to sin theta, implies theta will be your sin inverse x. So the right hand side will be your sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. This is the formula of sin 3 theta, and this can be written as 3 theta, but the value of theta is your sin inverse x. So this is just 3 sin inverse x. So in this way we have proved that 3 sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. You will find a similar question which is number 2, in which we need to prove that 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3 cos x. सेम मैनर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के अंदर जो राइट हैंड साइड है वो cos 3 थीटा का फॉर्मूला होता है। सो let us put x is equal to cos theta in the question number 2 for your right hand side, and this will be your homework for all of you. You will do by yourself. Let me do one more question. This is question number 3, which is given by tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. This need to be proved equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. इसको हमें tan inverse 1 by 2 के इक्वल प्रूव करना है। तो ये तो बड़ा क्लियर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं अभी बता चुका हूँ आपको फॉर्मूला होता है tan inverse x प्लस tan inverse y का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, दिस इज गिवन बाय tan inverse x प्लस y ओवर 1 माइनस xy. So this is very clear that we have used that formula. यहाँ x को x मल्टीप्लाई y लेस देन 1 होनी चाहिए और दैट इज योर सेटिस्फाइंग। 2 by 11 मल्टीप्लाई 7 by 24 करेंगे तो उसकी वैल्यू लेस देन 1 ही आएगी। सो लेट मी अप्लाई दैट फॉर्मूला डायरेक्टली। दिस इज गिवन बाय tan इनवर्स x कौन है 2 by 11 प्लस y कौन है 7 by 24 अपॉन 1 माइनस xy कौन है x 2 by 11 y is 7 by 24. Now this simplification remains. This is your tan inverse. LCM will be your 24 into 11. I am writing simply 24 into 11. This is your 48 plus 77 divided by, again LCM is your 24 into 11. So this is 11 into 24 minus 14. This will be cancelled out. This is equal to tan inverse. This is 5 125 over, and this is your 11 into 24 is your how much? This is your 264 minus 14, and this is your tan inverse 125 over 250, which is your cancel out by tan inverse 1 by 2. Hence proved. Let's see the question number 4 of your exercise 2.2 from NCERT book is your. We need to just prove that 2 tan inverse. This is 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 is equal to, this will be equal to tan inverse 31 by 70. This need to be proved. you know very well that in case of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, we can apply the direct formula which is given by tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. But we have 2 tan inverse x. So we have also a formula which is given by 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So first of all, let me apply this formula in this term. This is given by 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x. In place of x, this is 1 by 2. So this is tan inverse 2 into 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 square, plus tan inverse 1 by 7 will remain as it is. This will be equal to, cancel out 2 with 2, and this is tan inverse 1 over 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now after simplification, in the denominator you will get 1 minus 1 by 4 is given by 3 by 4, and 1 upon 3 by 4 will be equal to 4 by 3. So this is tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now again we have formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Let's apply this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, which is equal to tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus xy. So this is now tan inverse x plus y over 1 minus x into y. You need to just simplify it, and for simplification, let's take the LCM on in your numerator. This is your tan inverse 21 will be the LCM. So this is 28 plus 3 over 1 minus 4 by 21, and further it can be written as tan inverse 31 upon 21 divided by taking LCM as 21, this will be your 17 upon 21. 21 will cancel out with the 21, and this is equal to tan inverse 31 upon 7. So this is the question which we need to